All right, good morning everybody. Today I am at a baseball park in where I live called Kentuck Park, and a lot of activities here. They have these family pavilions and things. People do barbecues and family reunions and parties and that kind of stuff, so it gets a lot of traffic through here. Just going to see what we can come up with today, so I'm going to get started. I'll bring you back when I've got something to show you. All right, I got a target here that's in the 15s. Let's see what we got. That's in the pool tab. I kept calling it bottle caps in the last video, but this is in the pool tab territory, so oop, there it is. Pool tab is what I thought, but you gotta dig them. Bring you back on the next. Got a target here that's coming in at 13, so let's see what a 13 gives us. It's showing 2 or 3 inches under. There it is, another piece of tin can or something. So that was a 13 on signal. All right, I'll bring you back on the next one. So I got a 14, 13, 14 right here, just a couple inches deep. Probably another pool tab, a lot of pool tabs in this area. So let's see what we got. Don't think I'll need the shovel for this one. I wonder what that is. Oh, it's plastic. I thought it was a cap of some kind. I thought there wasn't any way that couldn't be. Yep, there it is. Another pool tab. All right, I'll bring you back on the next. Getting my first real high signal here. I'm getting some 27s and 31s mixed in with some other, but it's not very deep, just a couple of inches. So I'm going to see what we got here. It's just a piece of mashed metal bottle cap. I do actually think that is a bottle cap. So, all right, we'll bring you back on the next find. It's a beautiful little park that I'm at. Got a lot of shade, so some grassy areas. I think I'm going to hunt these grassy areas. People set blankets out and what have you when they're watching soccer or got baseball games going. So I'm going to hunt these grassy areas, and I will bring you back if we find anything. All right, so I got a good high signal here. First good signal I've had all morning. About a 25, saying about 3 inches or so deep. So let's see what we can find. And yesterday I was talking about digging a plug. This is more like what I was talking about. It was almost impossible to do on that dry ground, but just allows you to keep everything together and get it put back in a way that it's not very obvious. Oop, there it is. Gonna be a penny, but that's our first coin find today. I think it's a penny. Yeah, I can see the memorial on the back. No, it's a dime. That's a dime. All right, so we got a dime. Cool deal. All right, I'll bring you back on the next find. All right, I got another signal here. It's about a 25, so we're going to dig it and see what we can find. It's a little deeper than some of the others. Could be something. To me, that's a dime signal, so we'll see. Something else I like to do when I'm going to have to move a lot of material out of a hole to find a target, I like to use this cutting board. Pretty cheap, you can get them at Walmart, but it helps keep all the material together. Alright, looks like this one's going to be up on the side of the hole. It's going to be another piece of junk. Oh, no, it's not. It's a penny. These pennies could be a dime, hard to tell. I don't know. I'll get a better look at it at home. Put something in the comments. What do you guys think it is? Dime or penny? And I will I'll post a picture on the, include a picture on this when I edit the video. All right, I'll be back later. All right, I got a 13 here. Since I found a coin in just a minute ago, I'm going to go ahead and dig it. Good possibility it's a pull tab, but you never know. Couple 2 or 3 inches down. Let's see what we got. Got a root under there. All right, let's see what we got. It's in the back part of the hole. Let me get my mat out again. Oh, I feel something big here. Gonna be a can or something. No, that was a rock. Oh, but it was a pull tab. But it was ringing at pull tab, so not unexpected. But I can imagine people sitting here on towels, so it's quite possible you could find jewelry in an area like this. So if you're looking for jewelry, you got to dig the pull tabs. All right, now I'll bring you back on the next one. All right, I got a 17 here. Could be a penny. About 3 or 4 inches down. So let's dig it and see what we got. All right, I got the plug out. Looks like it's going to be in the side here, whatever it is. I think I knocked it out. Got another signal here on the side. This was just a little bitty piece of pot metal of some kind. And I think I got all that. I think I knocked that out when I got the plug out. Let's see what's in this side wall here. Probably just more of the same. Yep, there's another little piece of it. Alright, nothing exciting there. You got to put the plug back in. Alright, let's move on to the next. Alright, I got another 24 signal. Not far away from the last signal. Like it's in the clod here somewhere. Yep, we moved it. There it is, right there. Now that's a penny for sure. Alright, got a penny out of that one. Alright, I'll bring you back on the next one. Can't even tell I was there. Alright, another penny signal, 24, 23. Let's see what it is. Alright, that wasn't nothing but a piece of aluminum can. So, oh well, thought it was a penny. Bring you back in the next one. Alright, so another good signal. This is a 29, showing a 29 on the metal detector. Let's see what we got. Could still be a big piece of aluminum. We dug several of those. That Dr. Pepper can was a little bit below what this signal is, but we dig enough of them, we'll eventually find a coin of some kind. Eventually. Alright, let's see. Don't see anything right off the bat. Oop, nope, that's not it. There it is. Well, we got our first quarter, I think. Can't tell yet. Definitely a quarter. Looks like an 80. $85 maybe. So, alright, pretty cool. First quarter since I've started videoing. And that rang in at a 29, so that's the kind of signals we need. Pretty cool. Alright, I'll bring you back on the next. Alright, we got a 25, 26, 27 signal here. Again, it could be a big piece of aluminum, but we're going to dig it and see what we got. Let's live dig the... There's a lot of gravel in this area. It could be underground utilities or a conduit or no telling. All right. All right, it's in the clod. Alright, that's what it was. Some kind of piece of metal of some kind. Piece of aluminum. Been in the dirt for a while. Alright, a good signal though. Bring you back on the next. Alright, got an 18 signal here. Not but 2 or 3 inches deep. Probably be able to find it just with a pinpointer. Let's check it out. Yep. Oop, there it is. Got us another penny. Looks like memorial. Kind of corroded, but we'll see if it'll clean up, and I'll put it in the video. All right, I'll bring you back on the next. All right, got another 15 target here. Not very deep. I could probably use the pinpointer to find it without digging a big hole. So let's see what we got. Yep, right in there. There it is, another piece of aluminum. Alrighty, I'll bring you back on the next target. Alright, I moved across the parking lot. That's where I was hunting at over there. This is a small practice area for the ball players. So the grass is kind of tall, so I don't know if I'll be able to hunt it effectively, but I'm going to swing it a little bit. If I don't find anything, we'll call today, and I'll put a little video together and catch y'all on later on the video. Alright, I'll bring you back if I find anything. Okay, I got a 2930 signal here. It's hard to pinpoint with the grass being so high. Let me get it opened up and I'll bring you back. Alright, I got it opened up. See if we can find the target. There it is, another quarter. Another quarter. Alright, we'll hunt this some more. Would really like to come back when the grass has been cut. I'll bring you back on the next target. Alright, I got a 1920 right here. We'll dig it and see what we can find. I'll bring you back after I get the hoe open. Alright, so this was in the penny signal. Let's see. Don't have it on. Oh, there it is. I thought it was. There it is. Well, that's got to be a dime. That's kind of small. Or, I don't know. A button. That looked like a button off a ball uniform. A glove or something like that. So, alright, pretty cool. First button. We'll get it cleaned up and see if we can identify it. No telling what it could be. Alright, bring you back on the next one. Found a baseball. Official league baseball. That's cool. This is where they practice at, so goes to figure. Oh, this grass is really deep. I'm basically just having to let the coil on the metal detector just rest on the top of the grass and glide back and forth until I get a signal. Alright, still looking. Bring you back in a minute, I hope. Alright, we got a 19, 20, 21 signal right in here. Probably a couple, 2 or 3 inches deep because I got about 2 inches of grass, but let me get the hoe open. We'll see what it is. That's what it was laying right on the top of the clod when I opened it up. Some kind of clip, aluminum. So anyway, that's what it was. I'll bring you back on the next. All right, I think that's going to do it for today. Been out here for 2 hours. There's the tree that I just found, the 2 pennies. I think I found a penny around those picnic tables over there. But a lot of jump signals, a lot of pull tabs. This place gets hunted hard though, so the ground's real dry too. Could probably get more signals after a rain, a day or so after a rain. So, but it's a place to go. You always find a little something. Thank you all for watching, and I will I'll get back with you later. Post a comment what you think that second coin was. It was hard to tell. Put a guess in the comments if you would, and I'll post a picture later on it. All right, have a good day, everybody. Goodbye.